So what I need from you is a profession which requires, in which there's a lot of emergencies. There's a lot of emergency situations. Any profession like that.
Paramedic.
Paramedic. No. So we have a paramedic, and what we're going to do is recreate his mundane day of life. The only thing is that I can't make any sounds on my own. Jawad will provide all the sound effects for me, and I will recreate the normal day of a paramedic.
Check, check. Other phone. Hello, sir. One minute. 3. Just kidding. Video one, that's a naughty one. Hello. Dog.